Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. VSCode is installed and your preferred shell exists. Open VSCode now. Press Ctrl+ to open the integrated terminal. Once done, make sure the terminal focuses at the project folder by opening the workspace or folder first. If you prefer a different shell, note that you can change it in the next step. This gets you into the environment where commands run. Do not run commands until the terminal shows your project path. You now select and configure the shell that fits your workflow. Open Terminal, right arrow New Terminal and pick the default shell. VSCode will spawn it in the active workspace. Next, update settings. JSON if you need a persistent custom path or flags, make sure to target the correct OS property. Once done, set project-specific environment variables using env file or workspace settings so your commands behave consistently. If extensions interact with terminals, you can now run commands like npm, Python, Git, or Docker directly in the integrated terminal. Type them and hit enter. For parallel work, use the split terminal button or run tasks via terminal right arrow run task to keep outputs organized. When debugging, run the debug console or launch through the run view. If the terminal fails, check that path includes your tool, verify the shell path in settings, and disable extensions to isolate conflicts. These steps fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.